Good morning. My name is Roger Gelb. I'm an attorney in Maryland, and I've been practicing personal injury law for just over 30 years. And today I'm going to discuss what should a person do when they're involved in a car accident. The first things to do at the scene of the accident. So, assuming that you are medically able to do these things, the best things to do would be first to, of course, pull over someplace safe. And then you want to try and exchange information with the other driver. And I say that because although a police report is great and calling the police would seem like the first thing you might want to do, the police won't always come to the scene of an accident, and it's not always necessary. The most important thing to do is to try and get information on that other driver, as I said. Now, if they're uncooperative, you at least want to take a picture of their tag and of the scene of the accident and of property damage, the damage to both vehicles. And if you can, you want to get a picture of the other driver's license. That's really critical because if we're going to sue somebody, we're going to sue the other driver and potentially the owner, but that other driver information is really necessary because you can't always get that just on a tag check. An insurance card would also be great. That insurance card may be expired. Don't worry about that too much, but get as much information as you can. Then worry about calling the police, getting a police report if possible. If the police say we won't come, if the cars are drivable, that's okay. Those reports aren't always admissible anyway. The reason you want a police report is if that other driver won't share their information. Then it becomes very important. But again, if you just get a picture of that tag, we should be okay. Other things to keep in mind after an accident: don't argue with the other driver about who's at fault. That's something that will be worked out between lawyers and the insurance companies later on. I would also say, if you're injured, then you want to, after you exchange all that information, if you're in bad shape and don't think you can drive, then obviously you'd want to call an ambulance and get that ride to the hospital. If you don't think an ambulance is necessary and your vehicle is drivable, then you can drive yourself to a hospital or an urgent care. And then as soon as you can, you want to reach out to an experienced personal injury lawyer in Maryland who handles car accident cases like this one. And I would be happy to help at any time. My phone number is 202-331-7227, and I am always available.